How to withdraw USDT from Bybit to Telegram wallet. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can withdraw USDT from Bybit to your Telegram wallet. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open the Bybit app and click on Assets. Over here, click on Withdraw as you want to send USDT to your Telegram wallet. Then search for USDT and click on it. After that, you will need to enter the receiving address. Go to your Telegram wallet and over here, click Receive. Copy your Telegram wallet address. Then go back to Bybit, paste the wallet address and choose the appropriate network. Over here, note that the tag or memo is not required as you are sending it to a Telegram wallet. Finally, enter the amount you want to withdraw, click Withdraw, and after that, your USDT will be transferred to your Telegram wallet. So that's how you can withdraw USDT from Bybit to Telegram wallet. That's all for this video.